Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Before you can perform any task within the Layout Designer window, you must learn how to select the form object shown within the window. To select an object within the Layout Designer window, click it to select it. When an on-screen object is selected, it appears with a border comprised of slashes and containing 8 squares on the corners and sides of the object. These squares are the resizing handles used to resize the object. For some activities you perform in this window, you may also want to select multiple objects simultaneously. When multiple objects are simultaneously selected, actions you perform are applied to all the selected objects. This is helpful when applying the same formatting to multiple objects, or when moving multiple objects as a single group. For example, if you want to move a label and its associated data field from one area of the form to another, you could select them both and then move them together to a new area within the form. To select multiple form objects, click the first object to select it, and then hold down the Shift key with your free hand. Then click any other objects you want to select as part of the group. Then release the Shift key when finished. To deselect a selected object or objects, simply click into the blank or empty area within the form.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.